Click-through rate, CTR, what every PPC marketer needs to know. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Mo Paid Media YouTube channel. My name is Maury, and in this video, I want to quickly talk about what is click-through rate, what it means, why is it so important, why does it even matter when it comes to pay per click, and yeah. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Maury. This channel, I talk all things about paid media for a beginner standpoint. So if you are an aspiring PPC marketer or you're looking for somebody to help you with your pay per click campaigns, this channel is designed to help you. And if you want to take it a step further and you actually want to hire somebody to help you out with your Google campaigns or your Facebook campaigns or your media plan, I'm more than glad to help you if we're a good fit. Feel free to book a 30-minute discovery call, or you can check out my Upwork profile where I show you all my skill sets that I have with results. So yeah, with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Also, I want to say that I do have a free media plan resource master list with all type of resources and templates that will help you out. I use them, so I feel like it will help you out if you're looking for resources. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So, click-through rate. Click-through rate. Click-through rate is honestly one of the most important metrics in pay-per-click advertising. So simply put, click-through rate, it measures how often people see your ad actually click on it. So how it measures how often people see your ad and actually click on it. So if you want your Google ads or other pay-per-click campaigns to perform well, you need to understand and optimize your click-through rate. It's critical. It's crucial. It's something that a lot of marketers obsess over because it's important, right? So how do you actually calculate your click-through rate? Well, click-through rate, as you can see here, here's the formula for it. It is the total clicks divided by the total impressions. So that's how you get your click-through rate. So the click-through rate is a percentage you will get when you divide the number of clicks your ad receives by the number of times it's shown, or it's based off of the number of times that it was impressed upon, aka shown. All right. Also, a higher click-through rate means that your ad is attracting the right audience and it's convincing them to click and to take action. So it's not only great for driving more traffic, but it also directly influences your quality score in Google ads as well as Facebook ads. But this matters because the better your ad positions are, the lower your cost per click. So, why does cost per click matter in PPC? Well, I have three main reasons. Number one, the quality score. So Google and other ad platforms, they reward you for a higher click-through ad or higher click-through rate. So they will reward you for a higher click-through rate, which that will help actually lower your costs. Also, the campaign performance, that is important too when it comes to your click-through rate. So the higher your click-through rate shows that your ads and keywords are relevant to your target audience. And another reason why click-through rate matters in PPC is because it will help your budget efficiency. So the more people click on your ad, you're maximizing the impact of your ad's budget, which as a result will help you save money in the long term. So what does a good click-through rate look like? So there's honestly no one size fits all answer to this. A good click-through rate depends on your industry, keywords, and where your ads appear. For most industries, the average Google Ads click-through rate is between 4 to 6%, which if you're seeing, 6% to 7% or higher, you're likely outperforming the competition. Always compare your results to your current or to the current benchmark of your industry. So, when is a high click-through rate not good? So, not all the time, not all in all scenarios is having a high click-through rate better, right? So, not every click is good clicks, right? I don't think I've went over shitty clicks before or just hackers or scammers, but there are, you know, meanie pantses out there that will see that you're running a campaign and they will flood like spammers or hackers to click on your ad and waste your ad and waste your ad budget. All right, that's a whole thing. So that's why I said not every click is always a good click. If your ads get clicked from people who aren't actually interested in your product or service, you'll still pay for the traffic that doesn't convert, which will actually hurt your return on investment. So the best click-through rate comes from relevant, targeted keywords that are connected directly to your offering and your landing page. So always remember that too. There are, unfortunately, a lot of hackers and just scammers out there that will do that. I remember I worked for one agency and they, like, when we onboarded them, they had experienced that with another agency that they were working with, where apparently the agency wasn't really able to help them when it came to experiencing hackers or scammers, but also they weren't really trying to spend the money to prevent that from happening. But I digress. Just keep that in mind. There is a such thing as shitty clicks. All right. So how can you actually improve your click-through rate? You can use tightly focused keywords. You can also write compelling ad copy, and you can match your ads to the right audience and intent. And you also want to continuously test and optimize. So remember, the better the click-through rate leads to higher quality score, improve ad positions, lower costs, and this focuses on relevance and value, not just getting more clicks. So remember to focus on that. Okay? So with that being said, here's an example I wanted to show y'all. As you can see here, we have holiday marketing strategy, and we have different types of ad copy that we can look at. For starters, we have the compelling. This is, as you can see, here's some ad copy. Holiday season strategy 2021. Download the U.S. report. As you can see here, the ad copy is compelling. It gives a compelling stat. 41% of U.S. marketers feel the 2021 holiday season is make it or break it. Make it or break it is like a fear emotion. It's either you sink or you swim. It's either you fail or succeed for their business. So you can see how you can connect with customers and secure sales with your holiday trends report. Okay. Now here's another example. And this is what we call benefit. This is a benefits ad copy. 5 tactics that win customers. Big ideas for growth. Benefit. Build with customer base. Build their customer base. That's a benefit. You can outperform. Driving sales. Benefit. Urgency. Urgency is drop everything. Limited time. Only a few stock. Only a few available. Those are some examples of like urgency ad copy. So how can you improve your click-through rate? Oh, I already talked about this. Haha, just kidding. But yeah, again, I'll repeat it. You can improve your click-through rate by using tightly focused keywords, writing compelling ad copy, and match your ads to the right audience and search intent. And of course, you want to always be continuously optimizing and making your ads better. So, with that being said, if you want some advice or you want somebody to help you set up your campaign or your Google campaign or your Facebook campaign, media plan, whatever it is, I offer different services. I specialize in Facebook ads as well as Google ads and media plan setup. So if you want some help, feel free to book a free discovery consultation call with me. If it's a good fit, then we can take it from there. Also, be sure to check out my Upwork profile where you can see the different services that I offer, things like that. And with that being said, if you found any use for this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, when you comment, be sure to be nice. I read all comments, guys. Make sure you either have a question or an idea, whatever the case may be. Be nice. But with that being said, I'll see you on the next video. Peace.